Welcome to SatX. From this video we are starting Unit 2 Expressions, Formula and Equations. Today we will start getting started part. Here is 5 question and we are trying to solving by this video. First question, workout. This is a very simple things like 14 plus 5 is 19. Then 21 minus 7 is a 14. Minus 6 plus 4 it will be minus 2. It's a basic level thing. 12 minus 15 it will be minus 3. 4 times 8 32. 45 divide 9 will be 5. Minus 8 times 2 it will be minus 16, right? And finally 36 divide 3 is 12, but here is minus 3, so here is minus 12. Very simple thing. So first one done. Second one, work out the following. Remember to use the correct order of operations. First one, 7 plus 2 times 3. So we can write this one in here, 2a. 2a. 7 plus 2 times 3. So we know as per PEMDAS or BIDMAS, we have to do first bracket, then exponent, then division or multiplication, which one come first, then addition and subtraction. But here only addition and multiplication, so naturally we are doing multiplication work. So 7 plus 2 times 3 is a 6. Our answer is 13. Number B, 8 plus 4 times 7. So first we have to do bracket work. 8 plus 4 is 12 times 7, it will be 84. Number C, 9 plus 12 divide 3. So we have to do division work first. 9 plus 12 divide 3 is a 4, and 9 plus 4 is a 13. So A, B, C done. Number D, here is 8 minus 5 divide 3. So 8 minus 5, this is the first parenthesis work or bracket work. 8 minus 5 is 3, divide 3, it will be 1. Very simple. Number E. Number E, here is 15 divide 5 times 7. So this is very simple thing. So 15 divide 5 is a 3, and 3 times 7 is a 21. Number E done. Number F, here is 18 minus 6 divide 3. So 18 minus 6 is a 12, divide 3. 12 divide 3 is a 4, so our answer is 4. Number G, minus 6 times 2 minus 8. So first multiplication work. Minus 6 times 2 is a minus 12, and minus 8, the answer is minus 20, right? Minus 20. So G done. And finally H, minus 5 plus, here is 10 by 2, 10 by 2. So minus 5 plus division work first. So 10 divide 2 is a 5. So here is 5. Minus 5 plus 5 equals to 0. Very simple. So number H done. So we have completed number 1 and number 2. Number 3, carefully read. Fill in the missing numbers in each of these calculation. Choice from the numbers in the circle on the right. So in right side has some number and we have to fill up this one. So first one, 3a. Here is blank plus 6 equals to 8. So it's a very simple thing. We can use 2, right? We can use 2. 2 plus 6 is a 8. Number B, blank times 4 equals to 24. So 6 times 4 is a 24, so we can use 6. Here is a 6. Number C, blank divide 2 equals to 5. So it should be 10, right? Because 10 divide 2 is a 5. Then number D. So A, B, C done. Number D. Here is a blank minus 2 equals to 9. So what will be happen? 11, right? 11 minus 2 is a 9. So number D done. Then number E, we can write in here 4 times blank equals to minus 20. So this one is 4 times blank equals to minus 20. So it's a simple thing. 4 times minus 5. Minus 5, then we will get what? 4 times minus 5. So sorry, here is minus 20, right? Number is minus 20. So 4 times minus 5 equals to minus 20. Then finally F, minus 18 divide then blank equals to minus 6. So here remaining only 3. So we know 18 divide 3 is a 6, and here is a minus sign. So here is minus 6. So number F done. Very simple. Now next question. This is the workout answer to these problems. Show all your working. Number 4 A. So first question, Karin buys 3 pizza that cost 2.75 each and a drink that cost $0.89. What is the total cost? So look, this one is 3 pizza and cost each pizza is 2.75. So 3 pizza, it means 3 times 2.75, and we will add the drink cost, which will be plus 0.89. So actually what does mean? Here is pizza cost 2.75 each. So 3 pizza cost 3 times 2.75. So this one we already wrote. So we can use calculator, or if you want you can use, you cannot if you want you can stop using calculator. So 2.75 times 3, it will be 8.25. okay, 8.25 we can write in here, 8.25. Now we will add the drink cost 0.89. So what will be the value? We will add 0.89. So our amount will be $9.14. Here is 3 pizza plus 1 drink. Okay, so this is 9.14. Next question, Izzy and Sam go for a meal in a restaurant. They order food that cost $8.7, 3.45 and 12.25. okay, the order food that cost one food cost is 8.7, another one is 3.45, another one is 12.25. They share the cost of the meal between them. How much do they pay each? So actually first we have to find out total amount. So we can write, this is 4B, total cost. So first dollar, here is, we can write 8.70 plus dollar 3.40 plus, and here is 12.25. So what will be the amount? So 500, here is a 5, then 2, 4, 6, 6 plus 7 is a 13, carry 1. So 2 will become 3, 3, 3, 6, 6, 8, 14, 4, and carry 1, so it will become 2. So 24.34. Is it okay? So let's check again. So here is 8.70 and here is 3.45, but I wrote here should be 3.5. So if 3.5, it will become what? 3.40, 2.40. Let's check again. 5, 5, 10, carry 1, and then 2 become 3, 3, 4, 7, 7 plus 7 is, it will be 14, right? Carry 1, then 2 become 3, 3, 3, 6, 6 plus 8 will be 14, 4, carry 1, so 1 plus 1 it will be 2. So $24.4, it's the total cost. And here also mentioned they share the cost of the meal between them. How much do they pay each? So they will pay each. So it should be 24.40 divide 2, because here is 2 person, so answer will be 12.20. So $12.20 will pay each. It's a very simple question. So number A and B of 4 done. Next question we can solve in here. In this number pyramid, you find the number in each block by adding the numbers in the 2 blocks below it. Complete the pyramid. So look, each. So here is one hint, like 8 plus 12 it will be 20. Here is 20. Similar, 12 plus 4 it will be 16. 4 plus 7 it will be 11, right? Same, 20 plus 16, here is 36. 16 plus 11, here is 27. And then 36 plus 27, it will be 63. So have any confusion, please write a line in the comment section. And please note that we are starting unit 2 of Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Learners Book 7. This is a very important topics in lower secondary level. So you should be careful about this one. And unit 1 we already completed, where was around 1.1 to 1.6 with progression, total 7 part, which already done. You will get that question answer in the comment section, in the description box. So no more today. Thank you very much. Next video we will start exercise 2.1. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't forget subscribe my channel SADX.